Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 17th chapter, that is the mensuration part 1, that is plane figure. In the previous video already we have discussed about that how to find out that area of trapezium and how to find out that area of quadrilateral and how to find out that area of that one quadrilateral like special figures. Yes, but students, today we are going to discuss one same things, but what are the survey of the field, means if these irregular sides are there, how we should find out that area of the figure. If we made it is quadrilateral, made it is square, made it is pentagon, made it is hexagon, so how we should find out that if it is irregular shapes, if the irregular sides are there, then how we should find out the area of that field. Okay, so it is special called as a survey of the field. If your field, any field is there, suppose your parents having that some fields, so how we should find out that area of that field. If that figures, suppose like that one figure is there, so how we should find out this area? There is no regular way like regular pentagon, or it is not a square, it is not a triangle, it is not a circle, it is not like that any quadrilateral like or any other polygons. But how like you should find out that? You should remember the students, if suppose like this in figure is there, what you have to do? So or alternative also I will do little different way, you will understand easily. Suppose like this one figure is there, how we should find out that area of this field? So general just get that this is called as survey of the field. Survey of the field, how to find out this area? Okay, so first of all you should observe that there are so many vertices are there. This is one vertex, this is one vertices, this is one vertex, 1 2 and 6 are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 vertices are there, and any two vertices, which one is the longest distance you should check. From this to this, not this is not this, like that means approximately this to this some long is there. So you first of all draw one line to join to that line, not vertex. Okay, now to find out this figure area, to find out that, it is very important math activity you can do. So this is very important. So what you have to do, first of all the long point, which one, that is vertices, that is joined to, and that line other vertices to perpendicular line draw. Okay, this is also perpendicular draw. From this to this also perpendicular line draw. Now this you have to make it is some like a trapezium and some triangles or squares, like that you made that all the total area you should divide it into the small figures, small quadrilateral or some small rectangle or small triangle or trapezium, like that way you have to parts. If you do like this, then it will form. Now it is a triangle. Okay, may it is a rectangle, like it is a triangle, and it is a triangle, it is a trapezium, because these two lines are parallel now. Okay, this is triangle. So we know that this area solved. Okay, if we will find out this each area and we will add, then we can find out that total area, what is that? Okay, so now for like that one question also given, friends, already it is given, but sometime it will not given like that measurements, but you have to find out. Okay, so let us see, students. Now here given that all that, find that area of the hexagonal strain, hexagons 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides are there, so find out that area of this hexagon. So what you have to do, now suppose this is figure, you should take that first one, figure 2, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, and a sixth. So if that area of these 6 figures you will do, then we will find out that this total area of the hexagon. So first of all write out that solution. So area of hexagon strain is equal to, what is that? Now area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2 plus area of figure 3rd plus area of figure 4 plus area of figure 5 plus area of figure 6. So if you find out this area of figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, figure 4, 5 and figure 6, that then if you add, then we can get the total area figures. So first of all, one by one we can do. First one, area of figure 1, okay, or area of figure 1. So first one I am writing figure 1. So area of, what is that figure 1? This is, so triangle this is, because this is a triangle shape. So area of triangle SMN is equal to, what is that students? Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height is equal to half into base means this one, or this one if you take, this is height, okay. So this is it. Now how much this is from here to here SM, you can check that SM how much is there. Say SM 5 centimeter, so total here to this is 3 centimeter, but here given that 3 centimeters I have written, just 1 second. Okay students, so now we have to find out that this from here to here, actually how much students you have to write down the SM is equal to 5 centimeters, okay. So from here to here total 5 centimeters are there, and SU how much? 3 centimeters, okay. This is 3 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters, so we can write here 5 centimeter, okay. So total 5 centimeter SM, so we can write half on here ready 5 into, this is also how much mn, you can see mn also 5 centimeters. So is equal to, if you can take 25 by 2 or 12.5 centimeter square is the first area. Second figure you should find out that area of this is one, what is that? Trapezium, yes, because two parallel lines are there. So area of trapezium, what is that? MNIL, trapezium MNIL is equal to, what is that formula, that trapezium formula? Now half into h also the first we can write a plus b is equal to half into h last write or first write, no matter. Here how height, which one students we have to take that height? Now distance, this is perpendicular height, because this is not height, this is perpendicular height. So this is on how much, what is that? M and L. ML you should come given that, check in where ML TURPLI, ML not given, okay. So we can find out that ML how much. So how can we find out that ML? Now this observe that here ML, we can see that here we can write also ML we can write it from here to a plus b, this is 5 plus 3 8, okay. ML you can write 10 centimeter, okay. Now we can take that ML also 10 centimeter. So ML how much is the height? 10 centimeters into a plus b, how much will get up? A plus b, means this is a, this is the b. So 5 plus 3, okay. If you got 5, so now is equal to 5 into 8 is equal to 40 centimeter square, okay. So now we will get that 5 plus 8, 5 into 8 40 square. So this is we got. Now third figures, this one how much? LA is there, check once LA is there or not. LI there 3 centimeter, M here ML already there. So this is how we should find out the total. SA is there, 10 centimeter. ML we have written the 10 centimeter. So we can change it 10 centimeter. We can change this is 5 plus 10, 15 plus 2, 17 right on. That's then we can adjust for that. I'll change that question. So what will happen now? Third, area of triangle. What is that? Area of triangle LAI. Okay, LAI is equal to, what is that? Half into base into height, half into base how much friends? Suppose 3 centimeter, height how much? 2 centimeter, because already you have taken L is equal to how much? 2 centimeter, because total is 17 centimeter, we will get L is equal to 2 centimeter. Total 17, this 15 will go, this is 2 centimeter. So 2 cancel means 3 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to find out this one. Okay. So what is that side? This is from P to A. This is 2. From here to here. SP. How much is there? Check do. SP 7 centimeter. Okay. If SP 7 centimeter, from total 7 centimeter from here to here, no? This is 5, 10, 7. This is 10 centimeter. Okay, because total 17. So here to here 10 centimeter. So what you have to do? 4 figure area of, that is also triangle. What is the triangle? Triangle is equal to PAR. Same like it. So it is very important, students. You have to find out this length. Okay, this height and length. This length how like to find out? Now total is equal to 17. So these two here 10 suppose. Then it is this is 7. This is 10. So 10 into half into base into height. Base how much? 10 into height how much? 6. So if you cut 30 centimeter square. Okay. Now same like students, we can find out too. I will write here 51. This is one. What is that? We can say rectangle. Okay. If it is right angle, it is right angle. Then it is one rectangle. So length how much? So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. But students, here one confusion will get. It is a 4 centimeter given. This is 6 centimeter given. So it is not a rectangle. Okay. We can take this parallel trapezium only. Why? Because these two sides are parallel. So trapezium we can write it. Area of trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into H is equal to, here how much? What is that? This you observe that here. This is U and this is the P. How much there? U and P. UP. What is there? Where it is? Okay, we can find out now. Total how much there are students here? 17. Total 17 from here to here. SP is equal to 7 centimeter. Here to 3 means 4 centimeter we can take. Okay. So is equal to half into here to here. Total 7. 3 centimeter if we take out. Here total 7. Here to here 3 centimeter if we take out. Then how much it will come? This is will become 7 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So 4. This is height. So 4 A plus B means 4 plus 6. This is base into height means 4 centimeter. 4 into 10 into 4. Got 5 is equal to 20 cm square. Okay. Same like students, area of triangle. Next 6 one. Area of triangle SUT. What is that? Half into base into height. Base how much? 3 centimeter. Height how much? 4 centimeter. 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. So we got now 6 areas, students. First area one triangle 12.5 centimeter and a trapezium area 40 centimeter and next one triangle area 3 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Like that we got that 6 areas. You know that very well. According to that, only measurements you have to find out and you can find that areas out. So now hence the area of trapezium. Okay, sorry, area of hexagon. Area of hexagon is equal to how much you will get? The total area you have to add 12.5 plus 40.40 plus 3 centimeter plus 30 centimeter squares or 30 plus here 20 plus 6. That means if you add, how much will come? 40 plus 30, 70. 70 plus 20, 90, 96, 99, 99 plus 12, 111, 111.50 square. So like this way, may some measurements difference we are taking, so it will be different according to your examples, but these examples how we should find out that it is very important. So what you have to do, if it is not given, you have to carefully, you have to check which measurements you will take out, this is measurement you will find out. Okay, this is about that area of that hexagon. If like that, so many different ways you will ask to your students. If some measurements you won't give, you have to find out that measurements by the technique you have to follow. Now friends, have you written this? Once you should write down. Okay. Now I will solve it, that students, I will solve it. Now second exercise one bit I will solve it, and the other remain you have to try to solve it. Okay. So now students, we find the area of the quadrilateral mark like that figures already have gone students. So here this is one diagonal given. So height this is given. Yes, because this height, sum of the height you have to find out. So this sum of the height is equal to 14. So it is very easy. Given that the diagonal is equal to 13 centimeter, and the distance of two vertices is equal to how much? 14 centimeter. So that is the height. So area of quadrilateral is equal to half into diagonals, that is the 13 centimeter, into sum of the heights. Okay, that is called as also 14 centimeter. Okay, so is equal to, if you cut 7 jar 13 7 jar 91 centimeter square. Okay, hence the area of quadrilateral, hence area of the quadrilateral is 91 centimeter square. Okay students, I hope you have understood about that, what is that area of the polygons and what is the different sides are there. Okay, irregular sides are there, we can find out. Okay, so for your homework exercise 17.3. Okay, thank you all students. Next we will start that your solid figures, how to find out the area, total surface area, volume of that mensuration 2 part, that is the solid figures, in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.